Yes, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Why didn't you join in the afternoon, Devanjana?
Sir, actually, I did not saw the message, sir.
Hmm?
Sir, actually, I didn't check my phone, sir.
Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
How was your day, sir?
Yeah, it was good. Yes. So let's get into the topic now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, in last class, what we have discussed quadrant system and the questions based upon that, right? So just we'll continue with that now. So please, I ask you to solve the problems related to your, book exercise as well, right? So how many have you done? I'm not sure. Guys, can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. So now let us talk about the question now. Cos square 45. I'm not going to teach you every question here. So I'm just going to give an hint how you can solve it. Okay. Okay. Cos square 45. Cos square 135 plus cos square 25 degrees plus cos square 315. So people, you do one thing. So you are from 11th standard, right? When is your board exams are going to be? When is your board exam? Probably in the month of March, right?
So, April first week, sir.
Okay. Can you see the screen here?
Yes, sir.
April first week, right? So April first week in the sense like you have to cover all the topics. Okay. So cos square 45. How can you solve this? Cos 45 we know here, and cos square 135. How can you solve 90 plus 45? You can do, or 180 minus 45 also you can do that. All
Yes,
right.
sir.
So cos square 25. How can you solve this? Cos square 25.
90 minus 75.
90 minus 75. Cos 75 we know that. Do you know cos 75?
Yeah, sir. Root 3 minus 1. Root 3 plus 1 by 2.
I think this is 225, not 225. This is 225.
Oh,
That's
225.
this is 220.
270 minus 45, sir.
270 minus 45 or 180 plus 45, anything is fine. You can do
Yeah.
it that way. Cos square 350.
360 minus 45.
360 minus 45. You
Yeah.
can do it that way. Shrikar is joining now. Shrikar,
Or
Shrikar, are you
270
here?
plus 45 also, sir.
Exactly. Shrikar, are you here, Shrikar? Shrikar,
Yes, sir.
yes,
Omi
join me
Shrikar is
on
here.
time. Join me on time, please. So how in last class we have seen how to find out an angles, how to find out angles, how to find out angles by using quadrant system we have seen. So just what we have to do here, you have to substitute cos square 45 is nothing but what, 1 by root 2 whole square. Cos 45 we know here, cos square 45 is what, 1 by root 2 whole square, and just solve it by using the values whatever you get after finding that. Clear? Will you be able to solve this sticker?
Yes, sir.
You are from state board only, right?
Yes, sir.
Great. So now look at it, just sine square 2 pi by
Which college, bro?
cos square 5 pi by 16 minus tan square 3 pi by 4. Look at this here. So
Sir, is the answer 2?
for which one? The above answer, right? Very good. 2 is the
Yes,
answer.
sir.
Fantastic. Look at it, sine square 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 is nothing but what? Look at it, 2 into pi by 3. Pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degrees. Isn't it? So sine square, isn't it? Sneaker, are you able to understand sneaker beta? So 5 into
Yes, sir.
5 by 6 is nothing but how much, Srikar? 5 by 6 means what? Pi by pi means what? 180 degrees by 6. Pi is equal, pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So now 6163 is basic, very basic. So substitute pi by 6 is nothing but what here? 30, isn't it? So minus tan square 3 into pi by 4 means what? 45. Look at your sine square 120 plus cos square 150 minus tan square 135. All right, is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So sine square 120, 90 plus 30 you can do, and cos
Yeah.
square, yes, 180.
180 minus 30.
Yeah, 90 plus 45 you can do, and just find it out. Srikar,
Yeah.
will you be able to do this, Srikar?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So we are going somewhat fast, beta. Why? Because like we have to cover all the stuff, right? So you can solve it. Paper. You can solve the other stuff as well. So yes. So now, yeah, very simple actually. So theta. Okay, let me go with that. So look at the question here. Look at the question. We'll just increase the depth of the questions here. If sine theta is equal to minus 1 by 3 and theta does not lie in the third quadrant. Theta does not lie in the third quadrant, then find the values of cos theta and cot theta. So these type of questions are important for 2 marks. So look at this here. Sin theta minus 1 by 3 given. Theta does not lie in the third quadrant. Theta does not lie in the third quadrant. Find the values of cos theta. So sin theta what?
You know what? Which quadrant is in sine theta? Yeah.
All right. Theta does not lie in the third quadrant. Is asking for. Okay. Now look at sin theta negative given here. Sin theta negative given. Sin theta negative is in which quadrant? Look at it. Sin theta negative, right? Srikar,
Yeah.
sin theta negative value, right? Srikar,
Yes.
you have to respond, Srikar. Sin theta has given us negative here. Sin theta negative in which quadrant?
Second quadrant.
Second.
First and second quadrant it will be positive. Third and fourth quadrant it will be negative. Isn't it?
Yeah.
But he has given that.
So it will be in
does not
fourth
lie in the-
quadrant.
Wait. Theta does not live in the fourth quadrant, which means it will be of course fourth quadrant. Okay.
Yeah.
So fourth quadrant he has given, right? So now theta belongs to what? Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. All right, people, isn't it? Now sin theta given this. Now what will be the cos theta value? Sin theta is this much. What will be the cos theta value? Find out. Sin theta is what? Opposite by the theta, right?
Opposite by hypotenuse.
Opposite by hypotenuse. Now what will be this answer? So 9 is equal to 1 plus base square. So base square is equal to what? 8 minus 1. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
9 minus 1, 8. B is equal to what? 2 root 2. Isn't it?
Yeah.
All right. So 2 root 2. It can be. So square 4 root 2. So minus. It can be plus or minus 2 root 2, right? It can be plus or minus 2 root 2.
Yes, sir. Plus or minus root.
So B
Root
value, this is 2 root 2 here, right? 2 root 2. Now what is my cos theta value? He's asking for cos theta value. Cos theta is what here? Cos theta is what? Adjacent
Root 2 by
root
3.
two by three.
Yeah.
by 3. So this is what my answer. So why can't I write minus here? Tell me. Here plus or but I'm taking only plus. Why? Why? Tell me.
So in fourth quadrant,
Very
cos
good.
theta is minus
Positive.
plus.
Right? In fourth quadrant, cos theta is positive. That is the reason I'm taking positive here. We should not take minus here. Srikar, are you able to understand, Srikar?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to understand or not? Very
Able
good.
to understand, sir.
Very good, beta. So next question. So what is a cot theta? Cot theta value, how can you find out cot theta? Cot theta is nothing but a reverse of tan, which is nothing but adjacent by opposite. Adjacent is what here? 2 root 2
2 root 2 by minus 1.
by minus
So
1.
minus 2 root 2.
So minus 2 root 2. Very simple. Very simple. These are the very basic. We'll move forward now. Shall we move forward for the next question, people?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So yeah,
These all topics came in the first chapter itself.
yes. So this all right. So find the value of, he has given the find the value. Guys, if you have anything, if you have anything related to what I would say, if you have anything related to your board, I mean like IP point of view material, which is going to give from your like which is given from your college side, please do share to me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Did they give any IP material to you all? Did they give any JE material to you all?
Yes, sir.
What JE material they have given to you?
Sir, a college material only, sir. IP and JE mains.
Okay, JE mains. Okay, you do one thing. So can you please share me Devanshika? If you have that thing, so beta, if you have, can you please take a, if you don't mind, can you please take a pictures of that and send me once the MCQs, JE MCQs of differentiation. Which one? Differentiation.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All
Okay,
right.
sir.
Will you be able to do or?
Yes, sir. Will send, sir.
Okay. Differentiation after this class you send me. All right.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. So next, look at this here.
360 minus 30 sign.
Look at this. Sign. How can you do this?
360 minus 30.
Shrikar. Okay. Shrikar, how can you find out cos 120? Can you please tell me, Shrikar?
Cos 90 into 1 plus 30, sir.
90 into 1 plus 30. Yes, that is also correct. Or else you simply write 90 plus 30. Isn't it? This can be written as what? 180 plus 30. This can be written as what?
360 minus 60.
360 minus 60. Why? Because you know that, right? Or else Shrikar is, moving, Shrikar is following this can be written as what? Sine 90 into 3 plus 60. Like that, Shrikar is thinking, right? Shrikar, am I right?
Yes, sir.
If it is odd, function will change like that. That method you are following here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, of course you can do that. 90 into,
Yeah, better to follow that method. It will help
Yeah.
in bigger
Yeah.
numbers.
yeah, for bigger numbers, for bigger numbers it helps you, but chotu numbers you can solve it by your normal method only. 90 plus 30, 180 minus, like that. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you just write this and just solve it. Very simple, right? Will you be able to this? Will you be able to do this, Devanshika?
Sir?
Will you be able to do this?
Yes, sir. I already did.
Very good, very good. Chalo, great. So next question.
That's too easy.
Very easy, right? So that is
Plus,
what
I did a lot of them. Plus, I did a lot of them before, sir.
that is why I'm going somewhat fast actually for this type of basic question. So cosec theta plus cos theta is equal to 1 by 3.
No, sir, you're fine. Your pace is fine, sir.
Yeah. So find cos theta and determine the quadrant in which theta lies, and determine the quadrant in which theta lies. Okay. Look at this here. So this is what given here. Okay, find the cos theta. We have to find out cos theta here. So how can I find out cos theta from this?
So make cosec into 1 by sine.
1 by sine. Okay.
Yeah.
Use that so.
Yeah, LCM, sir, and then you transfer sine to the other side.
Yeah, fine. But look at it here. Instead of doing that, 1 second. This is not cos. This is cot. Look at this is
Oh,
cos.
that's cot. Okay.
So we know the relation between cosec and cos. What is that?
Equals 1.
Yes, cosec square minus cot square.
Yeah,
is
that's
equal to-
formula.
So this can be written as what? Cosec theta plus cot theta. A square minus b square formula.
Yeah.
Isn't it, Srikar? Isn't it, Srikar?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we know the answer of cosec theta plus cot theta here. 1 by 3 you substitute. So what happens now? 1 by cosec theta minus cot theta. What I'm doing here, I'm shifting to right hand side. This one. Is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
is what I get here. So now what will be the answer of this one now? Cosec theta minus cot theta answer is what now? 3, isn't it?
3, sir. Yeah.
Isn't it? One I can cancel. So what I remain with like that? Isn't it, people? Or else you can cross multiply. You'll
Yeah.
get that.
Cross multiply.
So now what we have to find out? We have to find out what we have to find out. We have to find out cos theta.
Cos.
Look at it here.
Yeah. 1 by sine
You
and
got this
cos
one?
by sine.
Oh yeah. So look at this now. If I just simply do that, guys, look at this here. This is what he has given. Let us consider this as any equation number 1, and let us consider this equation number 2. If I add 1 and 2, 1 plus 2, if I what do you get? 2 times of cosec theta, and minus cot plus cot will get cancelled. Look at this properly. Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir. 1 by 3 plus 3.
1 by 3 plus 3. How much you get? So look at this here. 2 cosec theta is equal to 10 by 3.
10
So
by 3, sir.
cosec
That's
theta
it.
is equal to 5 by 6. So which means 5 by 3, isn't it?
Yeah.
Or else
Yes,
you
sir.
can cancel like this. 2 ones 2 5, so 5 by 3. Straight away you can give the answer like this, isn't
Yeah.
it? 5 by
Substitute
3.
in triangles and we'll get cos theta.
Yes. Apply Pythagoras theorem. Cos theta is nothing but what here? Cos theta is nothing but what?
Yeah, adjacent by
Hypotenuse.
hypotenuse. Yeah.
Cosec theta, not cos. Cosec theta is what here?
Okay, cosec, right? Okay, then hypotenuse by opposite.
Opposite. So 5 by 3. So what will be the answer of this? 25 is equal to 4, isn't it? Isn't it,
Yeah.
people? Then
Yes,
what is
sir.
the cos theta?
Yes.
Cos theta is what? 4 by 5. Hope it is clear.
Yes, sir. Very clear.
4 by 5. But what is the condition given? Look at this here. Determine the quadrant in which theta lies. Is it correct what we have solved?
Sir, why did we add first and second equations?
Why? Because if I get one, look at it, he is asking for cos theta, right? He's asking for cos theta. If I know one angle from that right angle triangle, if I know from the right angle triangle, I can apply Pythagoras theorem. I can get cos theta very easily. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And look at this here. Oh, he's asking for what? Determine the quadrant in which theta lies. He's asking for theta, in which quadrant theta lies. So cos theta, I got this. If I subtract, look at this, 1 minus 2. If I subtract, what would I get? Cosec will get cancelled. 2 cot theta I will get. 2 times of cot theta. Guys, if I do 1 minus 2, equation number 2, I'm subtracting from the equation number 1. What would I get? 2 times of cot theta and 1 by 3 minus 3, isn't it? Minus 8
Yes,
by 3.
sir.
So cot theta is equal to what? Minus 8 by 3. 2 cot theta, right? 2 ones, 2 fours. So cot theta, what I got here?
Minus 4 by 3.
Minus 5 by 3. Look at this here. Cos theta, what I got? Cos theta, look at this here. For suppose, look at it, I got this as positive. Positive. This I got negative. Now apply the quadrant system. Look at the quadrant system. Cos positive, cot negative. Cot negative in which quadrant? Cosec positive. Cosec positive here. Okay. Cosec is positive, right? And cot is negative. Cos positive, cot negative. Which quadrant? People tell me.
Second, sir. Second.
Cosec is positive in the second quadrant. Sorry. And cot is negative. Which quadrant? Of course, second quadrant. Look at this here. Second quadrant is satisfying. Sir, why not fourth quadrant? Fourth quadrant may cosec will be negative, not positive, isn't it?
Yes.
From the answers which I got, from that theta is lying between what? Theta is lying in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Therefore, theta is lying in second quadrant. This is how you have to evaluate, guys. This is how you have to write in IP, right? He's asking for what? Theta lies in which quadrant, which means I need 2 theta values. I need cosec theta and cot theta. So need not to find out cosec theta and cot theta only. You can find any 2, but my situation is demanding me to find out cos and cosec and cot. So I just found cosec value and cot value both. So from those 2 functions, I'm just deciding in which quadrant my theta is lying basically. All right. So clearly it shows me that, it denotes me that, it clears me that it lies in second quadrant. Hope it is clear you. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अभी बताइए मुझे इन सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट क्या होता है? cos theta, what was my answer? Cos theta is what now? Cos theta 4 by 5, right? 4 by 5, 4 by 5. सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में cos क्या होता है? थीटा नेगेटिव होता
Negative.
है,
Negative.
नेगेटिव आंसर. बट इनिशियली व्हाट वी गॉट हियर? cos theta 4 by 5 वी गॉट. हाँ ये कर दिया. So if you solve this, if you write this, it will be wrong actually. मेरे रास्ते चलता होता है. 100% will be wrong actually. Don't write this. Answer is this one. Why? Because second theta lying in second quadrant. Second quadrant cos will be negative. So answer should be negative. Hope it is clear. Will we move forward? Shall we move forward now? Guys, how
Yes,
simple
sir.
we have solved this? How simple we have solved this? This type of questions are very, very important for 2 marks, or sometimes they might ask you for 4 marks as well. So very important. Hope it is clear. We'll move forward now. The questions whichever we are solving right now, they are very, very important for your 2 or 4 marks. All right, next question. So if sine alpha plus cosec alpha is equal to 2, now find the value of sine to the power of n alpha plus cosec to the power of n alpha. Sorry, cosec to the power of x. Tell me. This is alpha only, but they have given like in your textbook, they are asking for what? What is the value of this? Cosec to the power of n alpha plus cosec to the power of n alpha. Very, very important. Very, very important. Important question. Okay, so how can I solve this? This is what given here. Okay, he is asking for sine to the power of n alpha plus cos to the power of n alpha, cosec to the power of n alpha. Let's look at this. Basically, he has given that this one, right? Sine alpha as it is, I'm writing. Cosec can be converted as sine by writing this. So if I apply, look at this here, LCM, what would I get? So if I look at this here, this can be written as what? Sine square alpha plus 1 square alpha minus 2 sine alpha is equal to 0. So this can be written as what? A minus B whole square formula. Isn't it, people? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very simple. A square plus B square minus 2AB. So sine alpha minus 1 is equal to what? 1. Can I write square root of 1 is 1 only, no? Isn't it, people?
Yes, sir.
So sine alpha is what now? Sorry, here what? 0 here. I'm sorry, 0, right? Here 0. So 1 minus plus 1. All right. Isn't it? So alpha is equal to what now? So sine alpha is equal to 1 here. Cosec alpha is
Alpha
what?
is 90.
Yes, sir.
Alpha is 90,
Right.
or you can write cosec alpha is what here?
1.
By 1 only. All right. So from this I can write sine alpha I got. So you can write so cosec alpha is what? Minus 1. So 1. So he is asking for what? He is asking for this one. So how can I find it out here? Look at this. Substitute here. This is my star equation. From the star equation, how can I find it out? Sine n to the power of 1 second. Sorry. So sine alpha, what I got? Sine alpha is got 1. 1 to the power of n. Plus cosec alpha, what I got? 1 to the power of n. 1 to the power of any number is what always?
1.
So answer is 2. Did you understand, people? How simple?
Yes, sir.
Guys, look at this here. How sine alpha I got 1, cosec alpha I got 1. If I get sine alpha, I can write to cosec alpha easily. 1 to the power of any number is always 1 only. So that is the reason. Answer is what? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Hope it is clear with you all. Move it forward now. Shall we move forward now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys, these all are what is your name? Devanshika, the material which you have shared, beta, that is your textbook or the college material kind of thing?
College material, sir.
That is a college material, not textbook.
No, sir, not textbook.
Oh. Very good, very good. So these are all short answer questions, beta, very, very important. Okay? So everything they have given you, please. Hope it is clear. So shall we go for now little big questions, like short answer type of question. These all are like very short questions. Shall we move forward for the short answer type of questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Look at this here. So cos pi minus a into cot 90 plus a into I'm just making the things very simple actually. Okay, so let us try to understand in a simple way. Okay, if you observe your things, I mean, like, questions, it looks very big. Oh my god, enta by పెద్దగా ఉంది క్వశ్చన్, ఇంత పెద్దగా ఉంది అనిపిస్తుంది. కానీ if you just look at that, guys, what we have to prove here, we have to prove this as what? We have to prove this as cos A basically. Prove this. Abba, prove that questions are wonderful questions ra babu. Prove that questions are beautiful questions, they are favorite questions. Or ఏమేమో రాసి లాస్ట్ కి cos A అని రాసేస్తాం. LHS is equal to RHS. అబ్బా ఏమైనా రా, ఇక్కడ ఎవరు పట్టించుకోరు, కానీ లాస్ట్ కి LHS RHS రా కంపల్సరీ రాయాలి. అది పిల్లల మైండ్ సెట్. కానీ అలా రాస్తే తప్పు. Guys, are you able to understand? Whatever you just blah 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 blah, you write something blah 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 blah, at last you write therefore this LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Abba, hence proved. If you write this, what happens? Guys, if you are lucky, you will get marks. But if you are not lucky, if the paper evaluator is observing the question paper properly, then you will lose your marks. Please don't write like that. All right, solve it. Nothing we have here. So cos 180 minus A, how much? Cos pi minus A means what? Cos pi minus A is nothing but what?
Minus cos A.
So 180 minus, look at this, 180 is here, 180 minus A, cos 180 minus A. Second quadrant will be what?
Cos negative.
So cos A. All right, cot 90 plus A, 90 plus A, 90 plus A, cot negative. What would I get here? 90 plus means what? Tan I will get.
Yeah.
Cot becomes tan A, whether it's a positive or negative. And the second
Negative.
Cot of negative angle is always what? But a cot of minus theta is always what? Minus cot theta, I told you.
Yeah.
Sine of minus theta is always minus sine theta.
Sir, it's cos, sir.
Which one? It is cos.
Question.
Acha, it's cos. Okay, so cos of negative theta is what, beta?
Will be positive, sir.
Cos will be always positive. Cos and what eppudu different to other content.
Yeah.
Under what he'll be different. So will be what? Cos A here. So now look at this here, how beautiful it is. Look at this, 180 plus tan 180 plus how much? Tan 180 plus
Minus cot A.
tan 180 plus 180. Function change avadu.
180,
Tan will be
okay.
tan only. Tan
Yeah. 90 కనిపించింది.
So 270 plus A, 270 ఇక్కడ 270 plus A, fourth quadrant లో tan వాడతాడు, నెగటివ్ అవుతాడు. Tan becomes what? Cot. 270 కదా, 270 ఉన్నప్పుడు ఫంక్షన్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది కదా. Sin 360 minus A, fourth quadrant of course sin will be negative.
Negative, sir.
So sin minus sin A, you can write minus sin A here.
Yeah.
Hope it is clear. ఇప్పుడు ఏముంది ఇక్కడ, ఏమన్నా ఇంత పెద్ద క్వశ్చన్ ఇది చూడండి. ఇక్కడ look at it here, ఇక్కడ tan A I can cancel here. Okay, all right people, are you able to understand here? Now look at
Yes,
it
sir.
here. Okay, nothing we have. Look at it, simplify this. Minus cos square A ఒకటి మిగిలాడు ఇక్కడ, అండ్ ఇంకొకటి మిగిలాడు sin, దీన్ని cot A మిగిలాడు కదా డినామినేటర్ లో. వన్ ఏం రాస్తాను నేను? cos A upon
Cos A by sin A.
రాస్తాను. దీన్ని ఏం రాస్తాను? మైనస్
క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. సైన్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది.
ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? సైన్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయి కింద ఏమవుతుంది నాకు?
సైన్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది.
సైన్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయి కాస్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుందా? అప్పుడు ఏమి
Cos క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది.
మైనస్ కాస్ ఏ ఇస్ ఆన్సర్. అవునా? మైనస్ కూడా కాదు, ఎక్కడ మిస్టేక్ చేశాను చూడండి. ఎక్కడ?
cos A.
Sir, in cos, we can remove minus, no, sir.
ఎక్కడ?
So minus, cos లో మైనస్ ఉన్న ప్లస్ పెట్టాలి కదా సార్.
Exactly, look at this here.
Yes, exactly.
Look at this here, very good. Look at this here. Now you can know the answer. Why? Because మన RHS 80% లో cos A రావాలి, మైనస్ cos A రావద్దు. అంటే ఏంటి? ఇప్పుడు చూడు, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ cos A can be written as what? Cos of negative A. Can I write like this? Now look at this. Is it people? So cos A can be written as what? మైనస్ cos A అన్న ఒకటే కదా? Cos
Yes,
of
sir.
negative A అన్న
Yes, sir, the same.
now look at this here. Now here cos A can be written as what? మైనస్ cos A ఇచ్చాడు. ఓకే, దాన్ని నేను ఏ విధంగా రాయొచ్చు? ఓకే, మరి cos A ని ఏ విధంగా రాయొచ్చు నేను? cos A can be written as how? cos A can be written as what? Minus cos A can I write?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Why? Because minus cos A can be written as what? Minus cos A can be written as what? Cos
Cos
of
A.
negative. Cos of negative A. Isn't it? ఇదైనప్పుడు ఇదైతే, ఇదైనప్పుడు ఇది కదా? అవునా కదా? People,
Yes, sir.
దేవాంశకి అర్థమవుతుందా? Yes.
Yes,
Look at this. Now cos square A in the numerator. Now cos will get cancelled here. Minus E to minus plus ఇక్కడ in the denominator. Okay, cos will get cancelled. My answer is going to be cos A. It is completely depends on how you are calculating wisely. ఎంత తెలివిగా చేస్తున్న అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్. అర్థమైందా? Clear? Any doubts?
No,
People,
sir.
any doubts here? Guys, when you are writing in IP, guys, make sure that you are mentioning all these in bracket. ఇట్లా సిన్స్ అని పెట్టి ఇలా రాయండి బ్రాకెట్ లో. వాడి చూస్తే అండి ఈ సిన్స్ ఇలాంటి పెడతారు బ్రాకెట్ లో, వాడి చూస్తే 4 మార్క్స్ ఇచ్చేస్తారు వాడు. ఐఎమ్ షూర్ గైస్, వై బికాస్ ఐ హావ్ బీన్ స్టేట్ బోర్డ్ స్టూడెంట్. నేను కూడా స్టేట్ బోర్డ్ స్టూడెంటే. ఐ గాట్ 75 out of 75 ఇన్ మ్యాథ్స్ 1A అండ్ మ్యాథ్స్ 2A, సారీ 1B, 2A, 2B అన్నిట్లో 75 out of I got it. సో అందుకే చెప్తున్నాను. All right, people, how I presented there? Are you able to understand here, people?
Yes, sir.
So myself, I have been a state board student, so I'm telling you with a practical experience. Okay, so next question is asking for prove that sine of 3 pi minus a into cos of a minus pi by 2 into tan of. మీరు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏంటి దేవంచిక, యూ మైట్ బి హ్యావింగ్ అన్ ఆన్సర్స్. క్వశ్చన్స్ రాసుకోవాలి, మెటీరియల్ తీసి అక్కడ పడేయాలి, సొంతంగా సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా?
No, sir. నేను ఆల్రెడీ సాల్వ్ చేసి పెట్టుకున్నా సార్, నేను మెటీరియల్ చూడకుండానే.
Very good. That would be great actually. Okay, so you can try with this. Look at it here. So a minus pi by 2, very good. All right, a minus pi by 2.
So what does PT mean?
What is this? Cos to the power of? Sorry, you are saying what?
So what does PT mean? P dot T.
Where P dot T? Prove that.
Oh.
I'm writing a short way. Prove that. Okay, PT means not PT. Prove that. Okay, so how can I find out here? Sine 540 minus theta. For this type of things you have to apply your method. What is your name? Srikar. Look at it here. Sine 3 into pi, how much? 540 minus a. Sine 540 can be written as what? Sine 90 into 6 minus a. 96 times revolution. 6 times revolution. Look at this here. 90. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 second. 4 అయితే ఇక్కడ అవుతుందా? 5 ఇక్కడ, 6 ఇక్కడ కదా. 6 టైమ్స్ అయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ మైనస్ కాబట్టి సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ సైన్ పాజిటివ్ కదా, అంటే కాస్ ఏనే కదా ఇక్కడ. అవునా కదా? చెప్పండి నాకు.
Yes, sir.
సార్ సైన్ ఏ సార్.
180, సారీ, ఈవెన్ నంబర్, రైట్? ఈవెన్ నంబర్ ఇక్కడ ఈవెన్ ఉంది కదా, కాబట్టి సైన్ విల్ బి సైన్ ఓన్లీ. సో సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ సైన్ ఏ ఓన్లీ. సో సైన్ ఏ. ఎంత చక్కగా ఫాస్ట్గా చెప్పేయచ్చు. అర్థమైందా మీకు? హలో. ఇంటూ
Yes, sir.
నౌ కాస్ ఇక్కడ ఏంటి? a మైనస్ పై బై 2 ఇచ్చాడు. కాస్ a మైనస్ పై బై 2 ఏ విధంగా చేయాలి? లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో చెప్పాను నేను. కెన్ ఐ టేక్ మైనస్ కామన్? ఇక్కడ మైనస్ కామన్ తీసుకుంటే ఏమవుతుంది నాకు? ఇదే కదా వచ్చేది. అవునా కదా? చెప్పండి నాకు.
Yes, sir.
a మైనస్ పై బై 2 ఉందమ్మా. సో ఇక్కడ నౌ టాన్, ఓకే, టాన్ ఏంటిది? 270 మైనస్ ఏ. టాన్ 270 మైనస్ ఏ. 270 ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఏ. థర్డ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ కదా, టాన్ కాస్త ఏమవుతుంది? కాట్ అయిపోతుంది. కాట్ ఏనే కదా. అవునా కదా? డూ యూ అగ్రీ విత్ మై పాయింట్ ఆర్ నాట్? పీపుల్ టెల్ మీ. కింద డినామినేటర్ చూడండి. 13 పై బై 2 ఏమన్నాడు? 13 పై బై 2. 13 into 90 హౌ మచ్? 13 into 90 13 9 హౌ మచ్? 117. సో 117. Isn't it? People are able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Cosec 1170. How can I write this beta? 90 multiples of 90 రాసుకోండి, చాలా మంచిగా వస్తుంది మీకు. అంటే you can just write it very fast. Cosec 90 into what? 9 ones 9, 2 9 3s 130 times. 13 times, sorry, 13 times. So 13 times is nothing but what? Beta, look at it, 13 times. 4 times here, 8 times here, 12 times here. 13 times goes here plus here. అంటే సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ కదా. సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో కోసెక్ పాజిటివా నెగిటివా? పాజిటివ్. ఇక్కడ ఆడ్ నంబర్ కాబట్టి కోసెక్ ఏమవుతుంది? కాస్త సైన్ అవుతుంది. సైన్. అవునా? డూ యూ అగ్రీ విత్ మై పాయింట్? అవునా కదా? చెప్పండి నాకు.
Yes, sir. Negative. Odd number.
So cosec will be, sorry, cosec becomes what? Cosec
6, sir.
secant a. So the denominator will be secant a. Okay. So secant a వచ్చేసిందా లేదా చిల్డ్రన్? చెప్పండి చిల్డ్రన్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? గైస్, మీరు ఇది జేఈ అప్పుడు జేఈకి సాల్వ్ చేయాలంటే ఇలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. బట్ యు నో, whenever you are solving in for your board exam, you write all that stuff step by step. ఇవన్నీ రాయాలి. నేను రఫ్గా రాసి మీకు డైరెక్ట్ రాస్తున్నాను కాబట్టి యూ షుడ్ నాట్ రైట్ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే. ఓకే, ఆర్ యూ ఏబుల్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ నాట్? ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి, మళ్ళీ సీకెండ్ 540 ప్లస్ ఇచ్చాడు, సీకెండ్ 540 ప్లస్ ఏ, సీకెండ్ 540 ప్లస్ ఏ, సీకెండ్ 540 ప్లస్ ఏ అంటే ఇందాక ఏం చెప్పాను నేను, సీకెంట్ 9 into 6 ప్లస్ ఏ, 6 టైమ్స్ అంటే ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది చెప్పండి నాకు. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి ఇక్కడ, లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్, హలో పీపుల్, లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ హియర్, ఆర్ యు హియర్? 4 టైమ్స్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చేస్తుంది, 5 6 టైమ్స్ ప్లస్ ఏ అంటే ఏ క్వాడ్రంట్, థర్డ్ క్వాడ్రంట్లో ఎవడు సీకెంట్ నెగిటివ్ అవుతాడు. సో 90 కాబట్టి ఏమవుతుంది, సీకెంట్ కాస్త ఎవరు అవుతాడు, కొసెక్ ఏ మైనస్ కొసెక్, ఏమన్నా కాదా చెప్పాలి నాకు, ఫటాఫట్ చెప్పాలి.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
సారీ, మనకు కొసెక్ కాదు, ఇక్కడ మనకు ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి మైనస్ సీకెంట్ అనే వస్తాడు. అవునా, ఎందుకంటే ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ కదా, 6 అనేది ఈవెన్ కదా, సీకెంట్ వాడు సీకెనే ఉంటాడు. అవునా కదా? ఎస్ఆర్ నో పీపుల్, అవునా కదా చెప్పాలి నాకు.
Yes, sir.
సో ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, కాట్ మళ్ళీ చూడండి, ఓహో ఇక్కడ కాట్, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ కామన్ తీయాలి, ఎందుకంటే ఏ మైనస్ 90 ఉంది కాబట్టి మనకు 90 మైనస్ సంథింగ్ ఉండాలి కదా. సో 90 మైనస్ ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు దీన్ని. ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేయండి, సైన్ కాస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ టీటా బికమ్స్ వాట్, కాస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ టీటా బికమ్స్ వాట్, టెల్ మీ.
Plus cos theta.
Sin A as it is. సో ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఆఫ్ కాస్ 90 మైనస్ టీటా ఏంటి, 90 మైనస్ టీటా ఏంటిది, 90 మైనస్ కాస్ 90 మైనస్ టీటా,
Sin theta.
సైన్ టీటా మైనస్ సైన్ కదా, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది కదా,
Yes, sir.
ఆ కాస్ ఆఫ్ నెగిటివ్ టీటా ఏమవుతుంది ఇప్పుడు మీకు
Cos theta అవుతుంది.
కాస్ ఆఫ్ నెగిటివ్ కాస్ టీటానే కదా.
Yeah.
కాబట్టి ఏమవుతుంది, సైన్ ఏ రాయొచ్చు డైరెక్ట్ గా, సైన్ ఏ రాయొచ్చా ఇక్కడ చెప్పాలి.
ఎస్ సార్.
ఇంటూ ఇక్కడ కాట్ ఏ రాసేస్తున్నా, ఇన్ ద డినామినేటర్ ఏం రాస్తున్నా మళ్ళీ, సీకెంట్ ఏ కింద సీకెంట్ ఏ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మైనస్ సీకెంట్ ఏ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, కాట్ ఆఫ్ నెగిటివ్ కాబట్టి మైనస్ కాట్ 90 మైనస్ ఏ, 90 మైనస్ 90 మైనస్ టీటా, అవును కదా. సో టాన్ ఏ కదా, మైనస్ టాన్ ఏ కదా, అవునా కదా,
Yes, sir.
మైనస్ టాన్ ఏ. అర్థమవుతుందా నా భాష పీపుల్?
ఎస్ సార్.
చెప్పాలి. ఆల్ రైట్, సో నౌ వాట్ కెన్ ఐ డూ హియర్, టక 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 చెప్పండి, సైన్ స్క్వేర్ ఏ, isn't it? Cot A can be written as what? I can write cos A by sin A. అర్థమైందా? సో ఇప్పుడు చూడండి బ్రహ్మాండంగా, look at secant square A. Can I write secant square A here? మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్ కదా, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్ కదా, డినామినేటర్, అవునా కదా. సో secant square A ఇంటూ tan A. Can I write?
ఎస్ సార్.
లేదా ఇక్కడ సైన్ క్యాన్సిల్ చేయొచ్చా నేను, అవునా కదా. ఇప్పుడు చూడు, నాకు ఏం మిగులుతాడు, సైన్ ఏ మిగులుతాడు, ఒకడేమో సైన్ ఏ అవుతాడు, ఒకడేమో కాస్ ఏ మిగులుతాడు. ఇంత డినామినేటర్లో మళ్ళీ ఎవడు 1/cos స్క్వేర్ ఏనే కదా, ఇంటూ వీడెవడు సైన్ ఏ బై కాస్ ఏనే కదా, అవునా కదా. మీకు ఇలా ఏం అర్థం కాకపోతే ఇలా రాసి కొట్టుకోవడమే, అర్థమైందా.